Probability questions on the SAT can seem tricky, but most of them rely on a few simple formulas and patterns. In this lesson, you'll learn basic probability, complement probability, independent and dependent events, permutations and combinations, and counting strategies. Part 1. Basic probability. Probability measures how likely an event is to occur. The formula is probability of the event equals favorable outcomes over total outcomes. Example, a bag has 3 red marbles, 5 blue marbles, and 2 green marbles. What is the probability of drawing a blue marble? Part 2. Complement rule. Sometimes it's easier to calculate what you do not want. Probability of not A equals 1 minus probability of A. Example, if the probability of rain is 0.3, then the probability of no rain is 0.7. Part 3. Independent events. For independent events, multiply probabilities. Example, flip a coin twice. The probability of 2 heads is 1/2 times 1/2, which is 1/4. Part 4. Dependent events. When events affect each other, update the total. Example, a bag has 4 red marbles and 6 blue marbles. What is the probability of drawing 2 red marbles without replacement? We multiply 4 over 10 by 3 over 9. Part 5. Permutations. Use permutations when order matters. The formula is NP(r) equals n factorial over n minus r factorial. Example, how many ways can 3 students be chosen and arranged from 5 students? That is 5p3, which equals 5 times 4 times 3, or 60. Part 6. Combinations. Use combinations when order does not matter. The formula is NC(r) equals n factorial over r factorial times n minus r factorial. Example, how many ways can 3 students be chosen from 5? 5c3 equals 10. Part 7. Counting principle. If one event has m choices and another has n choices, then total outcomes equals m times n. Example, 3 shirts and 4 pants gives 3 times 4 equals 12 outfits. Part 8. Common SAT mistakes. Avoid mixing up permutations and combinations, forgetting that replacement changes probabilities, not simplifying fractions, and ignoring complement shortcuts. Part 9. SAT speed strategies. 1. Write the probability formula. 2. Use complement when it is easier. 3. Ask, does order matter? 4. Use multiplication for multi-step counts. Today you learned basic probability, the complement rule, independent and dependent events, permutations and combinations, and the counting principle. In the next video, we'll cover geometry and trigonometry. Follow for more SAT math lessons and proven strategies.